Zuli. Zuli? What's your tail doing? Turbos? Good girl. Yes. Good girl, baby. Momo, come here. Milo, come. Can you come here? Come here. Yes, good boy. You love each other? So I left this bucket out, or tote, last night, empty. We got about 2.5 inches of water in it. It was pouring last night. For only about 3 hours we got this. If you look here, see, up to, see water about there, so I don't know, at least over 2 inches, 2.25 maybe. Well, I got a ammo test for you guys today. This is part 2 of the Advantage Arms conversion for 22 long rifle on the XD9. It's empty. We're going to be testing out CCI today. I'm going to give you a quick run through of ammo. If you want to see some details about the Advantage Arms, it's an upper or slide and barrel for it. Comes with a spring and 1 mag. If you want to see more details about that, click the first video in this playlist. It has a steel insert and a steel slide, or steel breech face inserts. So steel slide lock and steel breech insert, and then it says steel barrel, but I don't know, that looks kind of aluminum to me. Going to be testing out CCI today. Going to give you a quick run through of all the CCI ammo. It does say that it needs high velocity ammo to function properly and to not use certain types of ammo. It comes with a little card on what not to use and what to use. So CCI standard velocity, it is a 40 grain at 1070 lead round nose. Going to be testing out 2 of the mini mags, different kinds. Stinger, 22 quiet, and some shot shells. These 2 at the end probably aren't going to work, but I'm guessing all of these are going to work. So the mini mag is, the first one is a copper plated hollow point at 1260 36 grain. The second mini mag is a 40 grain segmented hollow point. You can see the illustration there, 1235. To be honest, these look almost identical to me. Maybe the one on the right has a little bit bigger hollow point. Can't tell. Stingers. 32 grain at 1640. These velocities are all out of, probably an 18-inch or so barrel. These also have, the Stingers have a little bit longer case than almost all 22 long rifles, except for the shot shells, Federal Punches, and a couple others have the same case as the Stingers, but this is the OG. Some 22 all our quiet 22s at 710, probably even slower out of the pistol we're going to be testing. They look identical to the standard velocities. I can't tell the difference. And then lastly, we're going to shoot a couple shots at just up close, a 2-inch, at probably about 2-inch plate at about, I don't know, 3 yards, 7 yards. We'll see when we get down there. You can see this is what they look like. They're 1/15 of an ounce, number 12 shot, 36 grains. And I personally would probably buy some of the crimped, shot shells, mini shot shells, because this plastic cup that the BBs are in here, it's really fragile and it can break the BBs when you're even chambering the round. But we'll give those a shot. This is all the 22 CCIs that I have. There are a couple others that CCI makes. They make a AR tactical, kind of similar to the mini mag. But let's get started with these right here. Going to be shooting at a 4-inch plate at 25 yards. I'll spin you guys around here. See if get the camera up. So over here, that's 25 yards away. Try and stand right here so you guys can see everything. So up first, we have this is just a function check. So let's put the dogs in the car and let's try out the CCIs first. So let's stay tuned. Here, guys. Come here. Come. Come on. All right, get it. Go. 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 Mosquitoes are bad too, since it rained so much last night. So CCI standards. Just go into the dirt here. Those all functioned and locked back. And CCI mini mags, I bet these are going to function really well. So let's go ahead and I'll aim at that target over there. Lock back. Functioned great. And the second mini mags, these are the segmenting ones. Again, we're gonna go and we'll shoot a couple into the dirt here and then we'll go over to the target. Gonna go over now to target here. Locked back. Functioned great. And now we have these are the stingers. Couple into the dirt here. Those are a lot louder than the others. I'm gonna go over here to the target. I don't think we've hit one. More just a function test, not really slowing down to hit the target. And then last we have a couple of the quiets up top. I don't think this mag is going to function. And then down there you can see the silver ones. Those are going to be the shot shells. So 3 of the quiet, and then we're going to go up and shoot the 2-inch on the top there. So 1. Oh, they are kind of quiet. Nothing. Failure to eject. try one more here. See if we'll even eject this. Nope, did not eject. So enough of those. We're gonna switch then now to take that one out. We're gonna switch to these shot shells. Functioned good, you know, rocking it in. You see, get close here. It's about 10 yards. It's about 7 yards. You see here. So I'm going to shoot this off to your right. It's about 5 yards. A little bit less maybe. And I shoot at the top there. Did not function. You can see it did not load the next one either. And then we're going to shoot at that target there. Did not lock back or eject the case. Go take a look at that target and see how it does. Holster this. Bring you guys down here. So at 7 yards, those are the BBs. Number, I think 12 shot it said. So not too many pellets. 7 yards even. Hope this helped you guys realize, you know, CCI is pretty good overall in terms of 22 long rifle reliability. And then if you want to see the bolt camo I kind of tested, it had Remington, Winchester, and Federal in it. Some Federal Punch, Federal Blue Box, Winchester Super X PowerPoint, and Winchester Wildcat, and then Remington Thunderbolt. So I had a couple others in, and then also Aguila. Can't forget Aguila. Aguila is actually what I run in here all the time. Aguila Super Extra 36 grain Super Extra hollow point. That stuff that's the good stuff, because it's cheap and it's really easy to, you know, find. You can also buy it in 250 packs for $15 up to $20, you know, on sale. And so that's about 6 cents around, and you can't complain about that, you know, when it functions flawlessly. So hope this helps you guys in your ammo purchases, and thank you for watching.